you guys are doing good. I am Aparna, your captain, again in front of you guys to boom linear equation in one variable part 2. So you guys must be aware that first introductory part has been done in the afternoon. If you haven't watched it, do watch that after the session ends. Alright, so let's start our session with our motto. What? झूम बराबर झूम. मैथ्स की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या करते हैं पायरेट्स? बूम. ठीक है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बचनी चाहिए, सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को बूम करना है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट equation with variable on one side. Means, you know how many sides are there in the equation? LHS and other one is RHS. So in between that we equate them, right? That means LHS should be equal to RHS, right? So today we are going to understand how to solve the equation when you have a variable only on the one side of the equation. It can be on the LHS, it can be on the RHS. Let me give you an example. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. So can you see the variable? X is on the one side of the expression or the equation, right? Now we have some equations where we tend to see the variable is there on the both side of the equation. Like see, 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. Can you see here? We have variable term in both the side of the equation. So that would be variable on both the side. But today we are going to boom equation with variable on one side of the equation. And we are going to talk about its application also. What do you mean by application? Means how we can apply these types of equation in the question, how to form these types of equation like these. Alright, so let's talk about this, and before that let me quickly remind my pirates about the magic thing which Vedantu has bring on for you guys. So can you see this? Go on to this description box, okay? Click on the link. You will be broadcasted to this page where you have to just select your grade. You are in class 8, so click on that. You are targeting CBSE 2021, right? You are in CBSE 2021 examination, right? So there click on get subscription. यार क्या मिलेगा इसमें? सब कुछ मिल रहा है यार. All the live classes, all the recorded classes, modular, long-term batches, personalized attention. You will select the schedule, the timetable in which you want to study. ठीक है? And choose your plan. Go on to 6 months plan, guys. I recommend you guys to go on to 6 month plan. Why? Because here you are getting 48% discount and additional 15% discount if you apply the code ATPRO. My students know now, my pirates are aware about the code ATPRO. Just use this code, guys, and you will get additional 15% discount. Isn't that amazing? And you guys will see your marks are reaching heights. I'm telling you guys, India's best master teacher are going to take your live classes and your doubt session also. So why to worry then? Just wait and watch and study. Keep calm, right? So let's talk about how to solve linear equation with variables on one side and numbers on the other side, right? Alright, so let's talk about it. We have two methods. One method is balancing method and second method is transposing method. So you must be like have idea, right? What do we mean by balancing method? As the name itself suggests that balancing means दोनों को बैलेंस करना है. आपको क्या करना है? बैलेंस करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल weighing machine है, right? So in weighing machine, how do you balance that? You put similar weights on both the sides of the weighing machine, right? In order to balance that. So here also you have to balance the weight of LHS and RHS, or we can say value of RHS and LHS. Means LHS should be equal to RHS. And how you are going to do that? By balancing that. Means जो LHS में ज़्यादा है तो RHS में कम होगा, RHS में ज़्यादा है तो LHS में कम होगा. तो क्या करना है? इक्वल कर देना, बैलेंस कर देना. सिंपल है, ठीक है? एंड ट्रांसपोज करने का मतलब होता है उठा के फेंक देना, एलिमिनेट कर देना, निकाल के फेंक देना, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रांसपोजिंग, राइट? It is really simple, guys. Both the methods are similar, like easy, but we tend to use transposing methods more in order to solve these types of questions. Okay, so you will find both the methods similar but little difference. Alright, so let's solve with balancing method. Can you see this equation here? So what do you need to solve in these types of questions? The value of variable. So whatever value of variable you have to find out, you can find out the method balancing or the transposing. So let's solve the value of x through the transposing method. Let's start. So in the balancing method, you tend to see what is there in the LHS. So we can see there is the constant term, that is 7. Yes, 7 is extra term in LHS. So how can we just balance that? माइनस कर दो यार, माइनस कर दो दिस 7 को, ये जो एक्स्ट्रा है ना इसको माइनस कर दो इसमें से. बट you cannot simply minus from the particular hand side, that means LHS. केवल LHS से आप माइनस नहीं करोगे उस कांस्टेंट टर्म को, you have to minus it from RHS also. तो जो भी ऑपरेशन आप बैलेंसिंग मेथड में करते हो प्लस माइनस, वो आप LHS में भी करते हो, RHS में भी करते हो, इन ऑर्डर टू बैलेंस द इक्वेशन. ठीक है, अब जो आपको पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन दी है आप उसमें अपनी मर्जी से थोड़ी ना LHS में बढ़ा दोगे, नो. सो यू आर गोइंग टू जस्ट कैंसिल आउट दिस 7 बाय माइनसिंग 7 हियर अगेन, और RHS में भी -7 करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये बैलेंस होगा. ठीक है, सो x माइनस 5 x अपॉन 5 प्लस 7 माइनस 7, ये गया कैंसिल आउट हो गया, राइट. यहाँ आ गया -3 माइनस 7, सो ये बन गया केवल ही केवल बच गया x माइनस x बाई 5 और इक्वल्स टू में -3 माइनस 7 क्या बन गया, माइनस का 10. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर x बाई 5, यहाँ पर जो आपको -10 दिख रहा है ना, एक कांस्टेंट टर्म दिख रहा है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करोगे, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करोगे ये देखना है आपको. क्या हम अगर इस LHS में डिवाइड में है ना 5, मल्टीप्लाई कर दे 5, तो क्या ये 5 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा ना. सो दैट इज वाई वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 5 इन दिस टर्म x बाई 5 सो दैट इट कैंसिल्स आउट. ठीक है, LHS में ना आपको केवल वेरिएबल बचना चाहिए, ये आपका एम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब वो आप कैसे करते हो, क्या मल्टीप्लाई, क्या डिवाइड, क्या प्लस, क्या माइनस करते हो, इट्स अप टू यू. ठीक है, बट केवल उस LHS में नहीं करोगे, जो भी ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो वो RHS में भी करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई 5 किया तो यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लाई 5 किया, तो वी गॉट x इज इक्वल टू 5 10, मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, you got -50 as your answer. I hope you have been clear with the balancing method. Now let's go to transposing method. बेटा transposing method is nothing but उठा के इधर ले जाना, उठा के इधर से इधर लेके आना, that is it. ठीक है, so let's talk about it. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 13 you have been given. So you have to transpose the constant term. जो नंबर्स होते हैं उनको आप ट्रांसपोज करते हो LHS से RHS में, RHS से LHS में. ठीक है, तो यहाँ 5 जो आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये आप ले जाओ RHS में, ले गए तो ये आ गया 2x इज इक्वल टू 8. सिंपल. अब आपको 2 दिख रहा है कांस्टेंट टर्म LHS में, इसको भी ट्रांसपोज कर दो. कैसे, उठा के इधर ले आओ, ये आ गया डिवाइड में, क्योंकि यहाँ तो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था. So x is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. कट गया ना, 2 4s are. ठीक है, I hope you are done with, understood the transposing method. Yes? चलो आ जाओ फिर एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं फटाफट. This is the question you have been given. 12m minus 10 is equal to 6. So this is the equation. You have to find out the value of m here, right? You have to find out the value of m. So we can use our balancing method or the transposing method. Let me quickly solve it with the help of balancing method. Okay. So what is the extra thing you can see in the LHS? That is 10, right? So how can we eliminate this? Can we just add 10 in the LHS? Can it remove the 10 from LHS? Let me help you out. So minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0 because it cancels out. Yes? So let's quickly do that. So add 10 on both the sides. First step, correct? So let us quickly do that. So 12m minus 10 plus 10. So if we are doing plus 10 in the LHS, so we have to do same step in the RHS also, right? So 6 plus 10. So what happens? So 12m, this cancels out, so is equal to 16. So here it is 12m. Now, what is the extra thing in the LHS to find out m? Can we see 12 is the extra thing here? Can you see that? So let's quickly eliminate 12 by dividing. Divide 12 from both the side. कर दे? चलो आ जाओ कर देते हैं फटाफट से. So 12m divided by 12 is equal to 16 by 12. Isn't that cool? Simple है ना? Yes, yes. So 2 ये 3 से गया, नहीं 4 से गया, 4 6 are 12 और ये 3 जा. So 4 by 3 is the answer. M is equal to 4 by 3. Simple है ना? Simple है? I know. Now let's take another. This is the solution for you guys again. So if you are going to do till here, for example, this is the question for 4 marks. If you do till here, you will get 2 marks. And if you do till here, the complete question, you get another 2 marks. So total 4 marks. आपके हुए free के marks, free के marks. चाहिए ना फ्री के मार्क्स तो करना भी पड़ेगा सोल्यूशन. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन हियर. Simple है guys. Again you have to solve the value of variable which is given x here. So x is the variable which you have to solve in this equation. ठीक है. So let's do quickly the transposing method. ठीक है. पहले हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दें. सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करेंगे? अब ये देखो x प्लस ये जो 2 है इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई में हो रहा है और इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. तो ये 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई एक्स 2x, 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4 दैट इज 8 इज इक्वल टू 44 गिवन है. ठीक है. नाउ सॉल्व लाइक टर्म्स. सो x 2x बिकम्स 3x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 44 एज इट इज लिख दिया. अब 3x और ये जो प्लस 8 है इसको इधर ले जाओ RHS में. ले जाते हैं. जब आप LHS से RHS में ले जाते हो तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है बेटा. ऑपोजिट साइन आ जाता है ना. तो यहाँ प्लस है तो यहाँ जाके माइनस है तो इधर जाके प्लस, मल्टीप्लाई है तो इधर जाके डिवाइड है तो इधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई. सिंपल. वाइस वर्सा. तो इधर प्लस है तो इधर जाएगा तो माइनस. सो इज इक्वल टू 44 माइनस का 8. सिंपल है ना. सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 36, x इज इक्वल टू 36 बाई 3, क्योंकि इस 3 को भी तो इधर ले गए, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 3 इंटू एक्स, इधर RHS में गया तो डिवाइड, तो ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया 1 जा एंड 2 जा. सो 3 1 जा एंड 2 जा, 3 1 जा. सो आंसर इज x की वैल्यू आ गई 12. ठीक है. सिंपल है ना. I hope you have understood this. Let's talk about another very important question. Guys, let's solve this question quickly and let's boom this. So we know that we have to firstly convert this breadth into normal fraction. So we got 11 by 4 centimeter as the breadth. And we know perimeter of a rectangle is 2l plus b. Perimeter is equal to 2l plus b. So we can also write it like 2l plus 2b. Yes. Now let us quickly put it into the formula. So 2l plus 2b means 2 multiplied by 11 by 4, correct? And perimeter is 13. So let's quickly solve it. 2 1s are and 2 4s are, like 12 plus 11 by 2, ठीक है, is equal to 13. Now This is now very quickly simple. Can you see this is the additional thing which is given in the LHS file, that is 11 by 2. So 12 will be equal to 13 minus 11 by 2. यहाँ plus हो रहा है तो इधर आके minus. So let's quickly solve this and taking the LCM. So 2 हो गया LCM, so it became 26 minus 11 and L will be equal to 2L will be equal to 15 by 2. Right? Now, let us quickly take and transport this 2 to the RHS side. So, L will be equal to 15 by 4. As simple as that. I hope you have understood this. So, can you see the answer? अगर आप यहाँ तक भी कर देते हो ना guys, if you just do it till here ना, you will get half of the marks. ठीक है? So don't ever miss any question. You will definitely get some or the other marks, right? So guys, let's solve another question. Mr. Sharma is really confused about his weight. Let us see what is the question. So in the last 3 months, Mr. Sharma lost 5.5 kg weight. So first month he lost 5.5 kg weight. Yes. So let's convert it in the form of decimal. So it became 5.5, correct? Yes. In the second month he gained 2 and 1/4. So 2 and 1/4 became 2.25 kgs of weight. Yes. And in the third month he has lost 3 and 3/4 kg of weight. So 3/4 kg of weight is nothing but 3.75. So we have converted these into decimals. Okay. So in the first month he has lost, so minus. In the second month he has gained, so plus. So in the third month he has again lost, so minus. So let the weight of Sharma ji in beginning be x. स्टार्टिंग में मान लो x था उनका वेट, जब कुछ नहीं किया था 3 मंथ्स के पहले उनका ये वेट x था. ठीक है. तो x में से माइनस कर दो 5.5, फर्स्ट मंथ लॉस किया है ना. फिर उन्होंने ऐड गेन कर लिया 2.25, जंक फूड खाया होगा. फिर उन्होंने लूज करा डाइटिंग एंड एक्सरसाइज करके 3.75 kg ऑफ वेट. तो उनका अभी का अभी वेट हो गया है, सब ऐड ऑन करके वेट हो गया 95 kgs of weight. 95 kg हो गया. See in the question it is being given. Now let's quickly take these constant terms to the RHS side. So x will be equal to 95. ये यहाँ पर जो वेट लॉस किया था माइनस में था, RHS में गया तो प्लस में. So प्लस 5.5, ये माइनस 2.25 माइनस 3.75. Yes, don't worry, वो इधर जाके प्लस माइनस में गेन और लॉस और गेन में नहीं चेंज होता. But this is the rule to solve the linear equation when you have to solve the value of x. Don't worry about that. So x will be equal to 9.5 plus 5.5, 2.25 plus 3.75. इनको ऑपरेट करते हैं. So minus 2.5. यहाँ पर can you see that this will become minus and this became minus, so it will be 95 plus ka 7 will be equal to 102 kgs. I hope you have got this and boom, Mr. Sharma's weight. Yes, everybody? Yes, yes. Alright, so let me again remind you, and after that I will give you a amazing homework and a challenge for the day. Right? You were excited for this now? I know my pirates can boom any question. Guys, I want to know how many of you are able to boom this. So I will display the name of top 10 in the afternoon session, live session tomorrow. Okay, so guys, go on to the description box. Again I'm reminding my new pirates. Again, go on to the description box, select or click on that link. You will be directed to this page. Select your grade CBSE 21. You will be getting unlimited access to live classes, test series, doubt solving. You will be getting classes from India's best master teachers, and you can select the 6-month subscription plan, you are already getting 48% discount, or already you are getting 50%, almost 50% discount. And if you apply the coupon code 8T Pro, you will get additional 15% discount, and you will avail the subscription plan at 8499.15 rupees. That is it, guys. And go on and you will see your results are reaching high. So today's challenge is here. I hope my pirates will be able to boom this. Okay, so challenge for the day is this: click on the picture or just watch the replay or whatever you want to do. I want you guys to give me the answer in the comment section. I'm eagerly waiting for my pirates to answer me. So this is the question for challenge. One number exceeds another number by 17 and their sum is 31. Find the two numbers. Alright, jaldi se solve karo. And the homework. One number is 25 more than other. The sum of twice smaller plus 3 times this larger is 275. What are the two numbers? जल्दी से solve करो और मुझे comment section में answer करो. Alright guys, keep calm and love mathematics. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope my pirates are loving the session. Do tell me, did you like the session? Did you learn it? Did you understood everything? Come on. If you have any doubt, put down your doubt in the comment section. Alright. Bye. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m.